Hey everyone, welcome back to Use and Fix, where we'll be showing you another tutorial video on the topic how to fix my too many friends on Snapchat. If you have too many friends on Snapchat, you are not alone. This issue is more common than you might think, but don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it, starting from the simplest and working our way up. So stick with me till the end, one of these is bound to work. Go ahead and open your Snapchat and then click on your profile icon. After that, scroll down and you'll see the option of friends, so go ahead and click on my friends. Now if you have too many friends, you can just go ahead and start deleting the people you do not want to be friends with. You can just long press on their account screen and then go to manage friendship and then just click on remove friend, and the person you do not want to be friends with will be removed. Like, I hope this video helped you learn how to remove your friend and manage your too many friends from your Snapchat account. If it did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up to help others too, and hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.